All right, we're gonna show you how to get rid of all that nasty oxidation on your RV.
This is what our 7-year-old Jayco looks like. It is just, there's no shine. It's just really gritty. It's all oxidized. It's not looking very pretty. So we tried all kinds of different wash and waxes and different things, you know, liquid spray on things. We actually paid a company to come out and do a good wash and wax and a ceramic coating on it. And that was pretty much a waste of money because we could have done that ourselves. But after a few short days, the oxidation would just come right back. Nothing we did seemed to last. So we knew getting this fixed by professionals would be thousands of dollars. So we decided to go the DIY way and do this ourselves. So we're trying this Meguiar's to see how it works. Penny's been working all day yesterday and it looks really good. So let's go check out what Kenny's doing.
Just make sure you shake this up real well because it does separate really quick. And then apply it to a clean cloth and then just kind of pick yourself a small area and just work it in. Really hard to see on this off-white. And take a clean rag and buff it. You can feel when it's off because it's really slippery. It doesn't drag anymore. But that's pretty much it.
Let me come in close and see if they can see the difference here.
Yeah, I can't see the
Not
difference.
sure if you can see
Right
it.
about here, you can kind of see a little bit of line.
Yeah,
It's hard to see in the shadow.
it's hard to see in this light. But boy, it's really making it. Right here, you can tell the difference. I don't know if you can see that. I even bought him a buffer, but he's been doing all this by hand and just doing a little sections at a time.
It says not to let the product dry entirely, but it does come off fairly easy even though it's dry, I think. But there you can see it in the stripe. It took the dullness out.
Yeah.
Hit that again.
If you can see his reflection here. And over here, there's nothing. You can't see it at all. Here's his reflection. Over here is nothing. And I'm wearing the same stuff he is, pretty much. But yeah, it's really making a difference.
Yeah, some of the little stubborn spots, you got to put a little effort into it. But other than that, this stuff, man, it's very nice to work with.
And after this step, we're going to use the liquid polish. And then we'll finish it up with liquid wax to seal it all in. Here's an area that he's done. You can see the beautiful shine in this now. And before he started, it was just dull. The same with down this side. See the shine? I mean, this product is really working great.
It does real good on these the metal trim around the doors and windows and cargo areas. It doesn't like plastic so much. But look how shiny that got. I mean, they look brand new. They look like brand new moldings. Pretty.
Yeah, that looks brand new compared to this up here.
Again, it's hard. Well, you see way at top how dull it
You
is.
see how dull that is?
I'll get that baby shining.
And then down here, it's shining nice.
And really what I do for those, your rags, there's a lot of residual polish still on there.
You can see the difference there and here. Look at the difference. It's just amazing the difference it makes. So if you're finding this interesting and educational in any way, if you're liking what you're seeing, if you're thinking about doing a project like this on your own, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep putting out those budget ideas. We love our budget RV life. I'm not gonna lie, for a rig this size, this is a lot of work, and I am not much help. So Kenny has been working on this a little bit each day, and a few days, and he'll have the project completely done. And I'll tell you what, it's really looking beautiful. He's doing an amazing job. So if you have any questions, please drop those in the comments below. And if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll give you more RV budget ideas and DIY projects.
All right, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.